What a real King Zeus, and I'm back with another video. You feel me? Now I got these what they call them? These Night Rider scanning lights. I was gonna put one in my hood scoop. This was the box that came in. You know? Came in another box. Yeah, so we come in this box right here. And come in just with a remote. Just a remote. And this in the light. You feel me? It's a scanning light. Also, like all you need is a positive and the red wire and the black wire, positive and the negative. Then you gotta get these things right here, the hook. Get you some electric tape. Then you can pretty much just tape up these. You don't need these. You can use them, but they for like brake lights and turning signals and stuff. Best just to, you feel me, just use the positive and negative, just like that. And I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna put it, and I'm gonna show y'all, you feel me, the install, how I did it, positive and negative. You feel me, for this light strip. Then I stuck it right here. You put it right there. It's gonna come out the hood. Something like that. That's how I got it right now. All you need is, you know, you need a pencil and some tape. This black tape, this electric tape, I ain't really holding, but it's doing it for right now. I gotta get some more tape, some different tape. You know, all you did, you know, I attached it to positive and negative, the ground. You feel me? Then I taped up the rest of these because I don't need them. Then put it up here. Then I don't know how to keep this from touching this engine, but this is what I came up with. Tape it right there. And right there. And it shouldn't touch the engine. I don't know. I just got here. My cord a little warm. Yeah, that's a little warm too. So yeah, you're gonna have to take this up. Keep it from right there. See, like right there, start right there. If my tape stay. But yeah, you're gonna have to get a different type of tape. Electric tape ain't gonna do it. Here go the remote. It said D, turn it on. And that's it, you feel me? You can change modes and stuff. Slow it down, speed it up. They got to fade it. That's all the modes really. They got police lights, I ain't with that. I tell you, feel me? I ain't get it for all that now. But I like the main mode they got, really. I just keep it on the main one, the first one. But yeah, that's it. You feel me? Alright, this is how I look at night. Got the scanner in. It do all type of modes. Hold on. Oh, that's colors. Yeah, change colors. They go to colors. They go to modes right here. You got all type of stuff. I meant to turn on my underglow, but it's alright. I'm gonna show y'all how I hooked it up. As soon as I go through all the modes. Got that police though. We don't do all that though. But yeah, hold on, it's almost done. Yeah, that's the one I use though. Just the remote. C for changing the modes, A for speed, B for what is B for? Color. Then D is to turn it off. Yeah. I keep it on. Let me pop the hood, show y'all what I did. I got them inside like hard. Look at that. See that stand out. Alright, so this how I ran this hood scoop. Alright, so I had popped this off. I popped this off. It's just 2 clips right up under here. 2 clips in there that hold it. So I popped this off. Then I got these zip tied. See the zip ties? I got it zip tied up there. Then I ran, you know, put all these wires in here. I got the control box right there. I taped it up a little bit. It ain't taped good, it's moving still, but cause it's hot, I don't know. I gotta find some type of tape that heat resistant or something. But yeah, this holding still. This the black wire, ran it. Then ran it through here a little bit. Ran it down there. Then ran it through here. Ran it right there. Then negative and positive. That's it. See, it's tough. I should turn on my halo. But yeah, that's it for the vid. I'm gonna go back up here. That's it for the vid. That's what they look like. Just lock up and sub, y'all boy.